guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and here we help you declutter your faith, your home, and your business. And today we're tackling why every business needs organization, productivity, ROI, and lasting success. So recently, I received a call from a law office asking me to lead a Zoom session for their legal assistance. Their biggest challenge was staying organized in the middle of busy schedules, piles of paperwork, and constant client demands. What I shared with them applies not only to law offices, but to any business, whether you're running a spa, a medical practice, a small office, or even a small home-based business. The truth is, this organization is not just about neat desks. Although neat desks are important, they smile on you every morning when you come to work if they've been reset properly. It's about productivity, workflow, and return on investments. Now, the business case for organization. A disorganized workplace isn't just frustrating for the owner, but it's frustrating for each person that works in the office because each one of you were hired for a purpose and a reason, and you were hired because you were capable. So, according to productivity studies, employees waste an average of 4.3 hours each week searching for papers, files, and information. Multiply that by your payroll, and you'll see just how much clutter eats into profits. An organized business, on the other hand, operates with higher productivity. Employees spend less time searching and more time getting work done. Now, improved ROI is just clear systems that lead to fewer mistakes and better use of your resources. Professional credibility. Clients notice when your office runs smoothly. They notice. Even if it's a phone conversation, they notice. Now, SOPs are standard operating procedures. They're the foundation of every organized business. Standard operating procedures are the secret weapon of successful businesses. They take a long time to create, but they take the guesswork out of daily tasks, ensuring every employee knows what to do and exactly how it's done. Without SOPs, your team is left reinventing the wheel or making it up on their own, which is the same thing as reinventing the wheel, I guess, which slows down progress and increases errors. With SOPs, however, tasks are streamlined, onboarding becomes easier, and business owners can focus on growth instead of micromanaging. Now, office workflow is keeping your team on track. Every office needs a clear employee workflow as well. This means well-defined roles and responsibilities, not so the employees can say, well, that's not my job, but so that you can have a step-by-step processes for reoccurring tasks, because all the work in the office is everyone's job. It's a team effort. Communication systems that reduce back and forth confusion. That's how SOPs and those step-by-step processes work. When workflows are clear, employees feel empowered, supported, and far less stressed. morale goes up, productivity follows, and turnover drops. Because the main reason employees are unhappy is because of most of the time, it's because of the chaos that they work in the work environment. So y'all are a team. You all help each other. You're all important. Paper workflow, from piles of paper to productivity. Paper piles are the silent productivity killers. It's postponed decisions. Whether you're dealing with client files, invoices, or reports, a paper workflow system ensures documents move smoothly through their life cycle. One, inflow. Incoming papers are captured and categorized, should be categorized immediately. Number two, action. Items requiring decisions or tasks are flagged and handled. Three, storage. Long-term records are filed in clearly labeled, accessible systems. Four, archive and dispose. Outdated papers are either archived or they're securely shredded. A simple system like this can save your business and your job and your office and you as the employee hours each week and eliminate that panicked, where is that file moment. Now, let's go on to desk organization. Small space, big impact. Finally, our desk. A cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. Simple habits like a clear desk policy like a clear desk policy or reset or clean up at the end of each workday can reset productivity, and it causes your desk to smile at you in the morning. Okay. Add in drawer organizers if needed, digital filing systems, and weekly paper purges, and your employees and you as an employee will feel the difference immediately. An organized desk is more than just clean. It's a productivity hub. Again, we're talking about teamwork, the whole office working as a team to get the job done efficiently. Now, from law offices to your business, just like the law office I worked with, your business can transform through intentional organization, whether it's creating those SOPs, streamlining the paper flow, or decluttering your desk. These small steps have massive impacts. And here's the best part, you don't have to do it alone. If you need help, Fullerton's Professional Organizing specializes in helping businesses of all sizes create systems that save time, increase productivity, and boost ROI, whether through on-site consulting, virtual workshops, or customized organizing strategies. We're here to help you build a workplace that works. Now, are you ready to take your business to the next level? Book a consultation today and let's get your office organized. Now, let's get back to the organization. Now, from Fullerton Professional Organizing, I am not techie. So the digital organization, I have a person that I refer digital files and the digital side of organization to, and she does a great job with that. But how Fullerton Professional Organizing helps you in your office is creating those checklists, creating those workflows and those paper workflows and helping you. Now, I can also help with those standard operating procedures. That's a little bit slower work. It takes a little extra time, but it's time that you can either make them yourself, or if you don't have time, you can hire me to come into your office, and along us together, we can create those SOPs and print them out and have them available for you in paper form. But let's get those offices organized so you and your office can make more money and go to that next professional level that you're wanting to go to. All right, guys, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching and for listening, and I will see you on the next podcast.